fight while evolution leads to life. So I want you now. Time is something we control. Don't be scared to break the mold, 'cause I want you now. There's no such thing as pure coincidence. When you take your life in your hands, the more you grip, the more you have a chance. Oh, now I wanna know who you are. Now I wanna know who you Your mystery leaves me in a state. At the sight of you I hesitate, 'cause I want you now. Revelations I exist. The proof of life is in the myth that I'll tell you, 'cause I want you now. I'm guilty until proven innocent. As you take my life in your hands, the more you grip, the more I have a chance. Oh, now I wanna know who you are. Now I wanna know who you There's no such thing as pure coincidence. When you take your life in your hands, the more you grip, the more you have a chance. Go! Now I wanna know who you are. Now I wanna know who you Why have you come here with this weight on your mind? Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose at a price. A slave to the daytime, till the church chimes 12 o'clock, you're waking up. I sometimes get so lost in me, I just don't see. We've been the best of enemies to become the worst of friends. I sold in mid-condition, but you knew that when you paid. Now you're following traditions and exhuming our remains. Yourself in my shoes, I'm walking them a while. See how far they get you before they break your smile. I'm warm in the interior of the heavens you've designed. But now my feet are cold and curious to walk beyond the line. No excuse, you can't help forgiving me. We built on ruins to be I'm living past the years that my heroes never reached, and I'm running out of heroes. I learn better than I teach. When you use as many words as you find nothing says it best. Say answer all the madness that lingers around for days. So many are the hours that we could erase, only reflections of you. Reflecting me again. Sliding opportunities are sliding by today, but no love lost here between us, just nothing more to gain. Almost feel the moment, but it's too close to call. Have you ever needed silence, absence from it all? You've worn 100 faces, each one a different role. Only reflections